Vortex adjustable levers. Are they any good? We'll find out when we install them and take them for a test ride, right here on Street Rod AZ. Good morning, riders. Welcome back. We've got another video in our XSR700 series. We're going to be doing something really cool. We're going to be putting on new levers. I got these Vortex levers from Revzilla. I'll put a link down in the description where you can get these. But these are really awesome levers. They're black, billet aluminum. They have adjustability. You know, you can put the levers out, bring the levers in. So this is going to be really cool. I'm super excited about this one and looking forward to get out and testing these after we get them on. So why don't we get the install going? Okay, so let's talk about the tools you're going to need for this job. So basically what we're going to do, and this is brake side. What we're going to be doing for brake side is we're going to be taking this whole handle lever section off. So you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and then you're going to need a 10mm wrench. 10mm wrench is for this bolt or this nut underneath, and it's a pretty straightforward thing. So we're going to go ahead and loosen that up. Okay, so we got the lever off. Now there's a few things we need to do in terms of assembly for the brake lever itself. There's two pieces to the brake lever. This is actually what actuates your master cylinder, and then the brake lever. Ooh, sorry, I think it goes like that. We're gonna actually have to take this screw out and go ahead and assemble these things and put that spring in. I use this super lube stuff. It's synthetic. It's actually food grade. So that basically means, doesn't mean you can eat it. It means there's basically no contaminants in it, and you know, you could use it on a machine that's used to process food. Okay, so now that we got it together, we're gonna put this back on the bike. It's really just like reversing the process, you know? Okay, next is our clutch. So it's pretty straightforward. It's kind of just like the brake side, but not as many things in the way, I guess you could say. So again, 10mm bolt on the side. You don't need anything on top because it has actually got, pull this out. It's actually got the little square, I don't know what you call that, but it holds the bolt in place. So we're gonna put those aside here. We're just gonna pull our clutch lever out, and we'll get the clutch cable out of its way. And now this is important. There is a sleeve in here that you're definitely going to need. Otherwise, you're going to have too much play in your new handle. So make sure you save that. And we'll get out our new clutch lever, the Vortex clutch lever. I already went ahead and pre-assembled it, so you guys didn't have to watch that. The assembly of this is virtually identical to the assembly on the brake lever. So not a huge learning curve there. So now we just need to essentially reverse the process. So we're going to need to get our clutch lever out, and it decided it was going to sneak back in. So we'll get some needle nose and we'll pull it back out. So that, I don't want to do that. We'll do it like this. Whoop. Yeah. These clutch cables are a lot of fun at times. Okay, we'll get that guy in there. Spin this around, and then there's a little pin. I think it's a sensor, clutch position sensor or something like that, that we'll have to make sure we push in, otherwise it won't get in. Once you're in position, drop your bolt in, and then let it sink in there so you don't have to deal with it. I'm gonna wipe a little bit of this down. We'll take our 10 mil nut, get that back in there. Tighten that guy up. And honestly, the 10 mil nut doesn't have to be super tight. Just hand tighten it, and then just maybe 1/8 of a turn, because you definitely don't want this to have to be too stiff. That looks good. We have our adjustments here. Oh yeah, gonna definitely need to come out. Cool. We'll give that a tighten. So yeah, you're gonna have to maybe play around with it and figure out what your best configuration is. But anyway, good luck. All right, so we got everything assembled. The last thing to do is kind of test the position of everything. I readjusted my brake lever to the height that I prefer. Wow, this is a really nice clutch lever. I think I'm going to go with this. So really the only thing left to do is to take it for a test ride. So we'll go do that right now. So been cruising on these things now for about 5 minutes. I have to say these levers are incredible. They're just the adjustability on these things. Being able to bring them in closer, spot on, absolutely love it. And I swear the clutch feels a lot more buttery, nice and smooth. I felt like the other, with the stock clutch lever, I felt like I was really wrenching on it to get it to come in. But then again, you know, I've had the bike for a while and maybe it's just broken in a bit more. But so far, I love these things. These are great. They weren't like bank breaker levers either, like a lot of them are. I think they're relatively affordable. Definitely check them out. They're pretty awesome. I think you'll like them. They've got them in different colors. They also make shorties. I didn't get the shorties. I got the full-size ones. But, you know, whatever fits your liking, your riding style, Vortex makes it, and I think they even make different colors, but I opted for the black. But anyway, hope you liked this video, hope it was helpful. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and a lot more XSR mods coming. I will catch you guys next time. Ride safe. Bye bye.